In this video I'm searching for ptarmigans to photograph them. I'm camping out in the snow, having a good time, taking audio in stereo with amazing microphones. Two ptarmigans already. I saw a male and a female. Oh, there is you. They are so sneaky. They are just running between the trees. I see two ptarmigans just 25 meters from there. Now I gotta put down the camera, see if I get a shot. Not this time. No wonder they took off. It's like a big whale trying to go through a forest chasing ptarmigans, but there might be more. We'll see. Let's find them. Last time I was in this area, I saw ptarmigans. The noise in the snowshoes is not helping. The forecast says minus a few degrees on Celsius tonight, but at the moment I'm very warm. Still no ptarmigans. I can hear ptarmigans in all directions. There was one running over there. So yeah, they're everywhere. takes very short time for the snow to freeze, so the floor is getting pretty solid by now. Plan is to make a seat so I can sit here, my legs down there. Have a table here. This is so nice. At least now I'm not cold or anything. That's my breakfast table. The R value of this one is only, what is it, about 4. Isn't that enough? It's going to be minus something tonight, Celsius. The birds sometimes behave like this when they see a threat. Maybe I'm the threat. A little trick for melting snow. Put a little water in the bottom, it melts faster. Dress before you get cold, then dress after you get cold. I almost forgot. Did you know that me and Gyda, we recently published a book about bird photography in Iceland, our 40 favorite locations. It's an eBook. We're really proud of it. Put a lot of work into it. If you haven't, have a look at it. We have it on our website, photographingiceland.is, actually.com also now, and our online store, ggart.is. I am thinking about setting up a microphone to record sounds tonight. I think I'm going to be cold tomorrow morning, and there's a little bit hassle to put it together, but I might show you what I have. It's nice to put hot water in this. It's called Cozy or something. It's a neat idea. Just make sure it's properly closed. You don't want to get the water into your sleeping bag. It's going to be warm and cozy in there. It's been a good day, so I'm going to sleep now and see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's nice to wake up to the sounds of ptarmigans. Just when I opened the door of the tent, a ptarmigan came flying just a few meters from here. It's nice, but it's cold. I can hear ptarmigans all around me, but I think I need to leave my snowshoes here. They make such a noise that it's impossible to walk without sounding like a bulldozer. Here comes one flying. Now it took a turn. This really helped last night. It was nice to have a warm thing like this in the sleeping bag, because the sleeping bag is only made for -4°C in comfort zone, and I think it was much more than that last night. Not very cold, can't say that, thanks to this, and sleeping in my down jacket. It's nice to have water now. It's still very warm. Oh yeah, it's not gonna take long to warm up. A little bit of an explosion there. Nothing serious. It's what happens when you're thinking about the camera, not what you're doing. Coffee? No wind, just bird songs. I can hear the river a few kilometers away. No cars. It's very early now, it's maybe 6. Wouldn't it be nice if a ptarmigan came walking, just picking on some herbs? I'll find them. It's tempting to record the audio here. I just got a interesting audio setup. Maybe I'll show you. But first, breakfast. Rolls oatmeal. Super big oatmeals. Very light, good nutrition. It's amazing how warm this water is. Still, after spending the night in my bag. A few raisins. Soya milk. This is good. How lucky am I? Beautiful weather, birds singing, no wind. It's cold, but it's okay. I'm dressed for it. Being out in nature. But I'm gonna get some pictures. I think that ptarmigans are making fun of me. I have this GoPro case. And in here I have everything I need for a decent recording system. I have the F3 handle, tripod, a bar to make stereo recordings, the Clippy microphones, amazing microphones, wind protection, air plugs or what Shure, from Shure, so I can monitor. I'm gonna put it together. I have this adapter only a 3. When I start recording, I check which one is the left and which one is the right. Usually Gyda is always right and I'm left. I don't think I need wind protection, but I'm gonna put it on anyway. No, it's ready. Tripod. That's money. There are 6 geese who flew over. I was not monitoring when they flew over, but the audio was amazing from here with my own ears. I wonder how it was listening to this, the Clippies. Let's hear it. I like this setup. It's very handy. I can put it down. Might be better if I had a gimbal or on a tripod or something, but then it would be heavier. And I like to be able to put it into the GoPro bag. But these mics are incredible. Let's find ptarmigans. I bet you never heard this ptarmigan call from a human before. It works. I think it makes them curious. And there's a male ptarmigan just behind the trees over there. I told you the burping call for the ptarmigan would work. Just 1 minute after I called, a female came flying here, landed very close. I got some video. No master shots, but a video. Handheld, 400 lens with 1.4 teleconverter. Handheld on snowshoes. I didn't dare to move. Fox tracks leading to a ptarmigan bed. I'm at the car after a long walk, and guess what's in front of my car? 2 ptarmigans, male and female, waiting for me. Still posing. Two ptarmigans straight in front of the car when I arrived. Yeah, there might be some good shots there. If you want to see more videos like this, you can check out our channel, Gudmann and Gyda, and we do a lot of videos like this, usually about wildlife photography and bird photography, sometimes landscape photography. And check out our new book if you're going to Iceland, our 40 favorite locations for bird photography. Thank you for watching.